Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine in your houses. I am also fine, students. Okay. Shall we go to learn accountancy? Take accountancy book and we will start the fourth chapter. Okay. Those who have the books, you can turn to page number 65. Okay. We are going to learn about the ledger. Okay. Ledger or ledger account. Okay. Usually we call that one ledger account. Okay. What it is? It is a summary of all the transactions. Okay, summary of all the transactions relating to a person's account. Okay, the person, or it may be an asset, or it may be a liability, or maybe an expense or income. Okay, that means all the details, all information. Okay, or summary of all the transactions relating to a person, asset, liability or expense or income. That is called ledger account. Okay. So, here first we will, the transactions are entered in the journal entry, isn't it? From the journal entry, it will be posted to the ledger. So, we can say this is the secondary stage. Okay, second process. First process, the process of accounting, first step. First step is journal entry, preparing journal entries. Second step is posting this entry to the ledger account. Okay, so we can say this ledger is the principal book of accounts. It is called principal book of accounts. Okay, it is like a book. Okay, it is like a bound book, a big book. Okay, a book there contains all sets of accounts. Maybe the personal account, then real account and nominal account. Okay, here person means personal, real assets, okay, and liability. Then expense and income, that is nominal account. Okay, so all accounts, personal, real and nominal accounts are entered. Okay, here, so what is the basis for preparing this ledger account? The basis is the journal entry. On the basis of journal entries only, the ledger accounts will be prepared. Okay. Then, after posting, we will balancing the account. Total and balancing. Everything we will learn in this lesson. Okay. So, each account's balance can be found out. Okay. What is the total balance? For example, one customer will be there. Okay, that customer's account, how much he has purchased from us, okay, or our sales to that customer, what is the total amount, sales, then how much amount he has paid, how much is the balance that we should receive from that customer or the debtors. Okay, so everything can be known from the net amount in the account is calculated on a particular date. Okay. So, we can say if it is personal accounts of all customers and creditors. We know customers are what we sell for our on credit. Okay, they are customers. Who are the creditors? That purchases, credit purchases from our suppliers. They are our creditors. So, amount due to customers. Amount due from customers, amount due to creditors will be known from the personal account. What can be known from the real accounts? The value of assets. Okay, how much is the asset land is having, that one. Okay, then nominal accounts. Here the nominal account shows all the expense and all the income. For example, salary. What is the salary of this month, next month? Okay, each one we can find out. Then from the trial balance, that means the balances of accounts, we will prepare the trial balance. Okay, trial balance will be there. In the trial balance, all the balances of accounts will be entered. This is the base for the preparation of financial statements. Financial statements, we know trading and profit and loss account one. The other one will be balance sheet. Okay, that we will learn in the 12th lesson. Okay, the financial statements. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the ledger account alone. Okay, in how it will be shown in the books. We have learned it is a book. Okay, ledger account is it is called the principal book of account. Main book of account is what? The ledger account only. Okay, so that by opening that ledger account of a person, we will come to know all the things will be given date wise. Okay, it will be recorded date wise. That is date wise means that chronological order, date of occurrence. In the chronological order, we have to enter these ones in the books of accounts. Okay, so everything will be entered in the books. So as we have learned, it is a book. The one bound book is used. Bound book means like a big ledger account. It is maybe having thousands of pages. Okay, that page number only will be written in the ledger account, that journal entry LF. Okay, when we post that account in the ledger, that page number, ledger book, okay, the bound book page number will be entered in this journal entry card. Okay, either they can use the bound book or that attached pages can be attached in the spiral binding books. The spiral binding, the B.Ed students will do some books. The pages can be added. It will not be bound. Okay. It will be like pages only. We can, whatever pages if we need to attach, we can attach along with that book. Bound book, we cannot add any more pages. Okay. That is the difference. But during that, nowadays everything is computerized. Isn't it? The computer that we do in the computer. Here we do not need to this posting. If we prepare the journal entries, okay, if we prepare the journal entries, if we post that entry in the computer, it will automatically prepare the ledger account, trial balance, final accounts. Everything the computer will prepare automatically. Okay. Now we will learn the utilities. Utilities of ledger. That means for the uses we can say. The uses or the merits of ledger. So from the ledger account, quick information about a particular account can be known. Okay, quick information. Quick information about a particular account. So in the ledger account helps us to find out the information about a particular account. For example, sales. We can see all the sales. Okay, even cash sales, credit sales. Okay, the purchases, or if we purchase the machinery. Okay, there how much we have paid, okay, how much we have spent for the erection of that one, then any repair we did or did any depreciation we have provided everything can be known from that account. Okay, all the information can be known from about that particular account. Second one, control over business transactions. Control over business transactions. Here, each account we can know individually, clearly, correctly, fully. Okay, so it is like analysis of accounts. So from one account, the management can have control over all the business transactions by seeing this one. For example, salary, the last month's salary, this month's salary, how it is increased, or a particular expense, any other expense, electricity charges, whether it is increasing, why then it is increasing. Okay, so the management can have a control over all the business transactions by referring the ledger accounts. The third one is trial balance can be prepared. That's the main use. Okay, so from the ledger account balances only will be written in the trial balance. Okay, trial balance is prepared to check the arithmetical accuracy. So if we have prepared the trial balance and if it tallies, then we can conclude that what are all the calculations that we have done up to the trial balance is correct. We can conclude. Okay, then the fourth utility is it helps to prepare financial statements. Okay, financial statements can be prepared. The meaning itself we have learned. Okay, after preparing trial balance, we will prepare the financial statements. What are the financial statements? Income statement and balance sheet. Okay, these two can be prepared with the help of trial balance. The trial balance can be prepared from the ledger account balances. Okay, shall we see the format? It is like a T account. Okay, 2 pages. We have to use 2 pages. This one, debtor, ledger account. Okay, for example, Sai, person. Okay, maybe a customer. Sai's account. Here the right side is called as creditor. Okay, here debtor, creditor, debit side, credit side. Amount column, then particulars column, amount, then JF, then date. Date, particulars, JF. JF means journal folio, then rupees. Okay, here date, particulars, then amount, then JF. Here 4 columns, here 4 columns. Date, particulars, JF, amount. Date, particulars, JF, amount. Here credit side, this one debit side. Okay, first we will enter the date of the transaction. Okay, then if Sai's account is debit, Sai's account debtor to sales. So here we will write to sales account. Here we will write the date. Sales account, we will write the amount here. Okay, if we receive cash from Sai, what is the entry? Cash account debtor to Sai. There Sai's account is credited. So we should write the date first, then by cash account. Okay, then we will write the balance. Okay, any other one more day we make sales to sales. Okay, then if we receive cash, then at the end of some places they will they will balance the account daily or weekly or fortnightly. That means for 2 weeks or even monthly also they can do. Okay, that's the format of ledger account. Okay, I told you JF means when that journal entries page number will be written here. Okay, Then there, when we post this one, this account, size account page number of this ledger account will be entered there in the LF column. Okay. Okay students, you have to learn this meaning and utilities. Okay, these two question answers you have to learn. I will show to you what is meaning. Okay, meaning ledger account. The first one, ledger account is a summary statement of all the transactions relating to a person, asset, liability, expense or income up to their enough. Second sentence, it shows their net effect. Third one, from the transactions recorded in the journal, the ledger account is prepared. Fourth one, ledger is known as principal book of accounts. Okay. Then the utilities. Here it is 3 mark question. Okay. 3 mark question. Second one. Okay. What are the utilities of ledger? Okay. This page I will send you. This page and the next page. Okay. Then fourth point. Understood? This much you have to study. Format also you learn. That's all. Okay. Distinction between journal and ledger I will teach you in the next class. Okay students. Thank you very much.